What's good? My name is JC Valdez, and you are watching Underground EDU. Now, in today's lesson, I'm going to be talking about the value of failure. When you are a little child, you fail constantly. And oftentimes, if you have good parents, you don't find failure to be necessarily a bad thing. Try walking for the first time and then stumble. You get up and then you try again and then you stumble and you fall down, you get up, right? And your parents just kind of allow you to do that because they recognize that this is developmentally appropriate. They're not going to punish you for falling down. They're not going to punish you for failing. However, the first time most people learn about failure being a negative thing is in school, when they start to receive bad grades. Oftentimes, your teachers, your instructors, they sort of try to shame you when you make a mistake, right? The reality is this: the more you fail in life, the smarter you are going to be. Let's say you're somebody who wants to learn how to build a computer. My father is somebody who's very good at building computers. When I was young, my dad would bring, one or two computers that were thrown out, and he would take them home. He would take the computers apart, and then he would try to put them back together. He failed and put the wrong pieces with the wrong pieces. It took him months until he started to realize what parts go where. It was like a jigsaw puzzle for him. Now, if you were to give my dad a broken computer, my dad can piece it back together, no sweat, no issues, because in his moments of failure, he actually got smarter. He actually was able to realize, I already know that this piece doesn't go here. I know this piece goes to this thing. And over time, what he realizes is that he can put a computer together without really even thinking about it. Do not fear failure. There is not a single successful person who you admire who has not gone through failure. These people did not allow failure to stop them from achieving their goals. They decided to use failure as fuel to get them to the next step or the next level. Please recognize that although you may have been conditioned to believe that failure is an indicator that you are not good enough or that you're, not smart enough, it is in fact the opposite if you can overcome it. Overcoming failure is how you are going to get better at anything. And recognize that failure is where all the lessons are. You have to fail, learn from it, and then adjust, and then try again. Because the more you fail, the closer you will be to your goal. With that said, hold firm in the struggle. Peace.